Hey guys, it's Tiffany. Welcome to my world. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own wingback headboard, and it just looks like that. If you're interested in seeing how we made this headboard, stay tuned. Comment down below if you think it turned out good. If not, just keep it pushing. Let's get into the video. Where are you guys' carts?
Oh, I don't actually work here.
Oh my gosh, you look like you. This is the type of cart we need because we need some wood. Got that wood, got that wood. Okay. So we got some screws now because this couple was so friendly. They helped us more than the workers did. The workers ain't telling us nothing. They just
walk the bracket that goes up shelf. You're not looking for these type, right?
no, it needs to be L shaped. Now we're going into Joann's favorite. Textile type fabric, because this does look kind of thin, but I think it'll look better over the white. True. So I think I'm gonna get 4 yards of this. But so guys, we is in Walmart because you know Walmart better than Target because they $110 for a mattress topper. Where they do that at? We got a queen size so we can flip it and it can be thicker and it's gonna be $16. So we're gonna cover these metal pieces with black fabric. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you want to see more like DIYs, let me know. But lately I've just been rearranging my room, and like I'm all about creating and saving and budgeting and stuff. So like a lot of headboards I seen like this were like $500. The fact that I made mine with $60 is amazing, and yours could be cheaper. It just depends on what type you want. Like I wanted the Wingback. I wanted a fabric that was 4 yards. Like if you're not doing the wings, you don't need 4 yards of fabric. So it really just depends on you. It could be way cheaper. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys next video. Bye.